Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is teacher Fayyad bin Ahmad giving you a brief summary of our English reading and writing class today for grade 4. We've just started with the first lesson from unit 1. The name of the lesson is the dragon problem. Before starting the lesson, we have started with the vocabulary words so that the students could be able to understand the lesson better and they could make their own sentences for these vocabulary words. And we have covered today with some introduction as to general characters and the setting of the story, and then we proceeded with the vocabulary meanings. The first word was brainstorm, the meaning for which is a group problem solving technique. Then flatten, to make something flat or flatter. Then frantically, to behave in an uncontrolled manner. Gracious, being kind, thoughtful, and aware of others. Then muttered, make complaining remarks or noises under one's breath. Official, to be properly approved or authorized. Original, something that is unique and different in a positive way. Then the last and final word for today was stale, no longer good or appealing, no longer fresh. Thank you. This is the brief summary for today's class for grade 4B English reading. Thank you. Have a nice time.